Good morning students. So in last video we already discussed about area of triangle, right? So today we will discuss a new concept, that is nothing but adjoint of a matrix. So how to find the adjoint of the given matrix? What is the definition of adjoint of a given matrix? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ definition ಏನಿರಬಹುದು? So adjoint of a matrix A is nothing but transpose of the cofactor of the given matrix is nothing but adjoint of a matrix. So definition, adjoint of a matrix is nothing but the matrix A is the transpose of the cofactor of the matrix A and it is denoted by adjoint A. So adjoint of a matrix is denoted by adjoint A. So simply we can say that transpose of the given matrix, transpose of the cofactor of the given matrix is nothing but adjoint, is nothing but adjoint of a given matrix. So if B is the cofactor of a matrix A, then adjoint A is equal to B trans. Okay, for example, matrix A is equal to 1 3 2 1. Matrix A is equal to 1 3 2 1. So we have to find the adjoint of the given matrix. So before that, so we have to find the cofactor of the given matrix. So you already know that how to find cofactor. So formula Aij is equal to minus 1 to the power of I plus j into Mij. So Mij is nothing but minor of the given matrix. So given matrix can be written as, so 1 is nothing but A11, A12, A21, A22, right? So we have to find A11 cofactor. So A11, A11 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1 into M11. So minus 1 to the power of 2 or minus 1 square will become plus 1 into M11 is nothing but minor of 1. So eliminating ith row jth column, eliminating ith row jth column. So remaining 1 which is equal to 1. So A11 value which is equal to 1. A11 is nothing but small a11. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So in a same way, next. So next element A12. So in place of I 1, in place of j 2. A12 which is equal to minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2 into M12. See here minus 1 to the power of 3. So minus 1 whole cube. So minus 1 into M11. M12 is nothing but minor. Again eliminating. So ith row jth column. So remaining 2 which is equal to minus 2. So in the same way, next element A21. A21 which is equal to A21 in place of I2 in place of J1. So minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 1 into M21. So minus 1 whole cube, again minus 1. So M21 minor of 2, eliminating ith row jth column 3. So which is equal to minus 3. So A21. So here A12. So last element. So last element A22. So A22 value here, A22 is nothing but, so A22 which is equal to again formula minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 2 into M22. So minus 1 to the power of, so minus 1 to the power of 4 will become plus 1. So plus 1 into M22. Again eliminating ith row jth column, we get 1. This is the value of A22, right? So given matrix will become, given matrix will become, so we have to find cofactor, right? Slide nachu. Given matrix will become, so nodi cofactor of cofactor of matrix A is equal to, so ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ 1, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ -2, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ -3, next, so plus into plus plus 1. This is nothing but cofactor. So next we have to find adjoint. So in definition, adjoint is nothing but transpose of cofactor. What is the transpose of a given matrix? Interchanging rows into columns, columns into rows is nothing but transpose. Then adjoint of A is nothing but transpose of the given cofactor. So 1, -2, -3, 1 transpose, which is equal to, so interchanging rows into column. So 1, -2, -3, 1. This is nothing but adjoint of the given matrix A. So ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನಾದರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಮೈನಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇಸ್ ದರ್ ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ adjoint of a matrix? Yes. So direct formula, see, direct formula, adjoint A is equal to, adjoint A is equal to direct formula nodi, direct formula, so A minus B minus C D. This is the direct formula. So in case of 2 cross 2 matrix, so adjoint A is equal to A minus B minus C D. So nodi, which is equal to, see here, so this matrix can be written as, this matrix can be written as, in place of 1 is nothing but A, B, C, D. So 4 elements, right? So see here, adjoint A. So in place of D, in place of D enide 1. So substitute here 1. In place of B 3. So minus 3. Next, in place of C minus 2. So in place of D 1. This is nothing but adjoint of A. So ನೋಡಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೊ ಈ ಮೆಥಡಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಮೆಥಡ್, adjoint A is equal to A minus B minus C D. Therefore adjoint A is equal to 1 minus 3 minus 2 1. Okay, write first. Okay, next, okay, next, note, right, or theorem. Next, theorem, theorem statement. So this theorem statement is very very important. Okay, theorem statement, if A is any square matrix, then if A is any square matrix, then A into adjoint A is always equal to adjoint A into A, which always equal to determinant of A into I. This is the statement of the given theorem. So A into adjoint A is always equal to adjoint A into A is equal to determinant of A into I, where I is the unit matrix of same order as that of given matrix. So matrix to order ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ same as identity matrix. Okay, next, note. Next, write down the note in that first one. In that first one, so if A is a non-singular square matrix of order n, then determinant of adjoint A is always equal to determinant of A to the power of n minus 1. So determinant of adjoint A is always equal to determinant of A to the power of n minus 1. So these key points are very very important for your CET as well as JEE exam. Okay, in that first one, if A is a non-singular square matrix. What is the non-singular matrix square matrix? So non-singular square matrix is nothing but determinant of the given matrix is not equal to 0. If in case determinant of the given matrix is equal to 0, then we call it as the given matrix call it as singular matrix. So non-singular matrix is nothing but determinant of A is not equal to 0. So first one. Second one, if A is a non-singular square matrix of order n, then adjoint A is always equal to determinant of A to the power of n minus 2 into A. So adjoint A is equal to determinant of A to the power of n minus 2 into A. Third one. So third one, if A is a non-singular square matrix of order n, then determinant of adjoint A is always equal to determinant of A to the power of n minus 1 whole square. So it should be a non-singular square matrix. Okay. So last one, if A is a symmetric matrix, then adjoint is also a symmetric matrix. So symmetric matrix condition gottide alva. So A dash is always equal to A. So if A is a symmetric matrix, then adjoint A is also a symmetric matrix. Okay, next problems. In that first one, find the adjoint of the following matrix. So we have to find the adjoint of the given matrix. So in that first one, so given matrix, call it as A. Matrix A is equal to, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So ನೀವು Aij is equal to minus 1 to the power of I plus j into Mij ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನಾರು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನಾರು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು? ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಸೊ adjoint A is equal to, so formula A minus B minus C D. So given matrix can be written as A B C D, right? So which is equal to, so adjoint A. So adjoint na ಹೇಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಡಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 4. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ minus 2. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ minus C ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? minus 3. in place of A 1. This is the value of adjoint of the given matrix. So adjoint A is equal to 4 minus 2 minus 3 1, or by using formula naru use madi. So Aij is equal to minus 1 to the power of I plus j into Mij. We can get the same answer. Okay, answer. So nodi, matrix adjoint A is equal to 4 minus 2 minus 3 1. Right first. Second problem. So in first problem 2 cross 2 matrix, right? So in second problem 3 cross 3 matrix. Then how to find adjoint of the given matrix? So so matrix A is equal to, so 1 minus 1 2, so 2 3 5 minus 2 0 1, minus 2 0 1. So first step, so before that we have to find the cofactor. Then how to find the cofactor of the given matrix. Again by using formula Aij is equal to minus 1 to the power of I plus j into Mij. So this matrix can be written as, so A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, so A31, A32, A33. So first we have to find A11. So in place of Aij, so A11 is nothing but small a11 which is equal to minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1 into M11. M11 is nothing but minor. So minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 1 into minor of M11. So eliminating ith row jth column, because now first element na find out ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ವಾ. So eliminating ith row jth column. So remaining 3 into 1 3 minus 0 which is equal to 3. Okay. Next A12. Then how to find A12? A12. So minus 1 to the power of, in place of I 1, in place of j 2, M12. So minus 1 whole cube minus 1 into minor of M12. So nodi minor of M12 again eliminating ith row jth column, because A12 ತೋಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು elements A12 eliminating ith row jth column. So remaining 2 into 1 minus 5 into minus 2. So 5 into minus 2. So which is equal to minus 1 into, so 2 minus into minus plus 5 to the 10 which is equal to minus 12, which is equal to minus 12. So in the same way, next A13 is equal to ಏನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ A13. So minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 3 into M13. So minus 1 to the power of 4 will become plus 1 into M13 again eliminating ith row jth column. So 2 into 0 0 minus of minus 2 into 3 minus 6 which is equal to, so minus into minus plus 6, right? Next, so first row complete agi find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Next second row A21 which is equal to A21, so minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 1 into M21 is equal to, so minus 1 whole cube. So minus 1 into M21. So nodi M21 eliminating ith row jth column. So minus 1 into 1 minus 1 minus 0 into 2 0 which is equal to plus 1, which is equal to plus 1. Next A22. So A22 minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 2 into M22. So minus 1 to the power of 4 will become plus 1 into M22 eliminating ith row jth column, because so ನಾವು M22 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು minor. So eliminating ith row jth column. So remaining 1 into 1 1 minus 1 into 1 1 minus of minus 2 into 2 minus 4 will become plus 4, will become plus 4. ನೋಡಿ plus 4 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So plus 1 will become plus 5 ಅಲ್ವಾ. So minus into minus plus, plus 4 plus 1 plus 5. So next so next element A22 ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ A23. Then how to find A23? So A23 is equal to A23, so minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 3 into M23. So minus 1 to the power of 5. So again minus 1 because odd number then m23 minor of 5, so eliminating ith row jth column, so 1 into 0 0 minus of 1 into 0 0, so minus of minus into minus plus 2 into 1 2, 2 into 1 2, which is equal to minus into minus plus 2, minus into minus plus 2. So next third row a31 is equal to a31, so minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 1 into m31, so which is equal to, so nodi minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 1, so minus 1 to the power of 4 plus 1 into m31, so minor of minus 2, eliminating ith row jth column, so minus 1 into 5 minus 5 minus 3 to the 6, so which is equal to minus 11, which is equal to minus 11. Next element a32 is equal to a32, so minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 2 into m32, so minus 1 to the power of 5, so minus 1 into m32, so 0, cofactor of minor of 0, eliminating ith row jth column, so 1 into 5 minus 2 into 2 4, right, so which is equal to minus 1, which is equal to minus 1. So last element a33, so a33 is equal to a33, so minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 3 into m33, which is equal to, so minus 1 to the power of 6 will become plus 1 into eliminating ith row, so we have to find minor of 1, eliminating ith row jth column, so 3 into 1 3 minus of 2 into minus 1 minus 2, so 2 into minus 1 minus 2, so which is equal to a33 is equal to, so nodi 1, so minus into minus plus 3 plus 2 5, 3 plus 2 5, so therefore cofactor of a, so cofactor ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ನೋಡಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ cofactor a11, so 3 minus 12 6, right, so next a21 1, next 5 2, next a31, so minus 11 minus 1 5, this is the value of cofactor. Then what is the value of adjoint a? So adjoint a is nothing but transpose of the cofactor, so transpose ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3 minus 12 6 1 5 2, so transpose is nothing but interchanging rows into column, okay, so 1 5 2 minus 11 minus 1 5, this is the value of adjoint a, right, first. Okay, if the given same problem in CET is necessary to find all these steps, so ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿ ಇ ಟಿಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ನಾ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಇಷ್ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? ನೋ. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿ. ಈ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವಿತಿನ್ 2 minutes, ವಿತಿನ್ 1 minutes ನಾವು ಅಡ್ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ನ ನೀವು CET ಅಥವಾ JEE ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. PU ಪಾರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎ. ಇದು ಈ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ 3x3 ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ಸೊ ಗಿವನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ 1 -1 2. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ 2 3 5. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ -2 0 1. ಸೊ ಗಿವನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ 3x3. 1 -1 2 2 3 5 -2 0 1. Again, next you write first two columns as it is. So 1 2 -2 -1 3 0. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ. ಅಗೈನ್ ಫಸ್ಟು 2 ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ನ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್, ಅಗೈನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟು 2 rows as it is. So 1 -1 2 1 -1. Next 2 3 5 2 3. So see here. So next step, eliminating ith row jth column. Eliminating ith row jth column. So next directly you write the value of adjoint A. So adjoint A is equal to if you are calculating in row or column, write in row. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ನಾನೀಗ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ರೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, 3 × 1 3 -0. If you are calculating in column, write in row. So next 0 × 2 0 minus of -1 × -1. ಸೊ -1 × -1 +1. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ರೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ -1 × 5 -1 × 5 -5 minus of 3 × 2 6, which is equal to -11. So first step over. Next again. So 5 × -2 -10 minus 1 × 2. So -12. Again write in column. So -12. Next 1 × 1 1 minus of 2 × -2 -4. So minus into minus +4 1 + 4 5. So nodi 5. Next 2 × 2 4 minus 5 × 1 5. So 4 minus 5 minus 1. Next. So next step. So 2 × 0. So 2 × 0 0 minus -2 × 3 -6. So minus into minus +6. Okay. Next. So -2 × -1 -2 × -1 +1 -0 will become 1. Sorry, -2 × -1 -2 × -1. So -2 × -1 +2 +2 -0 2. Right? Sorry, 6 2 ಸಿಗಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? 2. Okay, correct. So -2 × -1 +2 -0. Okay, fine. Next one. So 1 × 3 3 minus of 2 × -1 -2. So minus into minus +2 3 + 2 5. Again we get same answer. See here, adjoint A. So 3 1 -1 -12 5 -1 6 2 5. So first step, write the given matrix as it is. Next step, write the first 2 columns as it is. Next step, write the first 2 rows as it is. Next step, eliminating first row first column. If you are calculating in column, write in rows. If you are calculating in rows, write in columns. Is nothing but adjoint of a given matrix. ಸೊ ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ನ ನೀವು CET ಅಥವಾ JEE ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. Okay, next problem. Okay, next problem. Next problem. So next problem. If the given matrix A is equal to 2, 3, minus 4, minus 6, then verify A into adjoint A is equal to adjoint A into A, which is equal to determinant of A into I. So now by using the given matrix, so we have to verify that A into adjoint A is equal to adjoint A into A is equal to determinant of A into. Okay, given matrix A is equal to 2, 3, minus 4, 6. So first we have to find the determinant of the given matrix. So determinant of A is equal to 2, 3, minus 4, minus 6. So which is equal to, you know that how to find the value of determinant, just cross multiplication. 2 into minus 6, minus 12, minus half, minus 4 into 3, minus 12, which is equal to minus 12 plus 12, get cancel, which is equal to 0. Determinant of A value which is equal to 0. So next we have to find adjoint A. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 cross 2 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಆರ್ ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೂಡ ಅಡ್ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಡ್ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು, ಸೊ ಎ ಬಿ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಿ ಡಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಗಿವನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಏನಿದೆ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿ ಏನಿದೆ, in place of D minus 6, so write minus 6. Okay, in place of B, so minus 3. So in place of C, minus 4, again here minus into minus, plus 4. So in place of A 2. This is the value of adjoint A, or by using cofactor we can find the adjoint of the given matrix. So transpose of cofactor is nothing but adjoint. Okay, so next we have to verify that. So A into adjoint A, right? A into adjoint A. So here A value ಏನಿದೆ 2. So 2, 3, minus 4, minus 6 into adjoint A. Adjoint A value, so minus 6, minus 3, 4, 2. So by using matrix multiplication, so first row, first column, right? So 2 into minus 6, minus 12, plus 3 into 4, 12. Next, first row, second column, 2 into minus 3, minus 6, plus 3 to the 6. Second row, first column, minus into minus plus 6 into 4, 24 minus 24, right? So next, minus into minus plus 4 3s are 12 plus minus 6 2s are 12, which is equal to 0 0 0 0. So call it as equation number 1. This is the value of A into adjoint A. A into adjoint A. So next, adjoint A into A. So adjoint A into A. So we know that adjoint A value. So adjoint A value minus 6, minus 3, 4, 2 into A. A value. So see here A value 2, 3, minus 4, minus 6. Again by using matrix multiplication. So first row, first column, minus 6 into 2, minus 12, plus 12. Next, minus 18, plus 18, right? So second row, first column, 4 2s are 8, minus 8. So 4 3s are 12 minus 12. Again we get 0 0 0 0. So call it as equation number 2. So this is the value of adjoint A. So last one, determinant of A into I. So determinant of A value 0. So see here, matrix A, identity matrix. So 2 cross 2 identity matrix 1 0 0 1, which is equal to 0. So 0 into anything 0. Call it as equation 3. Okay, write first. Okay, next. So from 1, 2 and 3. So observe ಮಾಡಿ 1 2 and 3. So ನೋಡಿ 0 0 0. So RHS value 0, therefore corresponding LHS values are equal. So from 1 2 and 3, clearly we can say that so A into adjoint A is equal to adjoint A into A is equal to determinant of A into I. Okay, write first. So next problem. So again same as first one, but here 3 cross 3 matrix. So if given matrix A is equal to 2 1 3 3 1 2 1 2 3, then verify that A into adjoint A is equal to adjoint A into A is equal to determinant of A into I. So here I value, see here matrix A 3 cross 3, therefore I value 3 cross 3 matrix. So 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, same as last one. So verify money. Okay, thank you.